How to unlock lock pattern using command prompt. Step 1. Connect your Android phone to your computer. Step 2. Open Command Prompt Administrator. Step 3. Now in Command Prompt window type following code carefully. Add shell cd data, Android, providers, settings, databases slide settings. The update system set value equals aware. Name equals lock pattern autolock. Update system set value equals aware. Name equals lock screen. Lock it out permanently. Quit. Step 3. Now you will see some screen as shown below, and then you can reboot your phone and know when your Android starts again. Then try unlocking it using any random pattern and it will unlock and work pretty fine. Step 4. If you face any problem, repeat same steps but instead of the above code tree using add shell data system gesture key and the press enter and now reboot your device to see if it works. Thanks for watching guys.